Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the tone volume on your Apple AirPods Max. Now, what tone is in this respect is the sound effects. For example, when you first of all put them on, they let you know that you're wearing them. When you hit the noise cancellation button here, it will bong at you to let you know every time you do something. Well, if it's too loud, you can adjust it. If it's too quiet, you can adjust it. Let me show you how. All you need to do is go into Settings, and we need to go to AirPods Max, and we need to go down to where it says Accessibility. Now we have tone volume here. If I was to move this all the way down, 15% is the lowest. Every time I hit the noise cancellation button here, or for example when I wear them or do something that requires this to make a sound effect at me, then it will be very, very quiet. If you have it all the way at 125, it will be louder than default. Default is normally 100, but that might be a little bit too loud for you. So yeah, something to play around with, but only if these sounds irritate you. They don't affect your music in any way, shape or form. It's not tone in that respect. It's just the sound effects. Thank you so much for watching.